Hi, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I hope everyone is great. Just give me a couple of minutes. I'm gonna be back, okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen. So what we have here today is a special case. I would say it's a special case. And I asked myself, what's gonna happen today? It's been tough since morning. I've been trying to catch some very nice ride. I was off and on my system, so I couldn't basically, catch something very nice, very fantastic, very decent. So if I was around, we have 5 minutes to market to volume time, so I know, but I have to say something first. If I was around at this level, this is where I would have gotten in. If I got in here, stop loss at 60 pips maximum, I would have been in this trade. At least I would have closed a lot of positions around up to 80%. Then up to this level would have been very fantastic stuff to take. But then I was on and off. I have my personal account to manage and my trade copying project account to manage as well. So it's tough. So before I arrive my personal account, some moves has passed. Before I switch to trade copying account, some moves has passed as well. But then it's part of the deal, right? It's part of the phone. All right, back to the game of the day. So looking at daily time frame is pretty much It's currently bullish, but I don't know if this bullish is gonna extend until 29,795. And then looking at 4 hours, we're going to see something that is very peculiar here. This level, right? No upper wick for this candle and no bottom wick for this candle, right? So it's just indecisiveness. It's just very, is it indecisive or undecisive or whatever it's called anyway. But I'm expecting price to actually hit this level. If price hits this level, then we may see some sort of turnaround. So this turnaround may actually be what we may go for, okay? But then we have to be very careful not to get caught up in mess, okay? Sure, man, it's tough. It's very tough. In the next 2 minutes, volume is going to come into the market. Do not forget, today is bank holiday, so I'm not looking for something very exquisite here. I'm just looking to take a very decent trade, not something very special, just something just obviously decent. Okay, someone is asking in the group, or what is that? Is a bank holiday in America? Keep in mind that in case the market moves well. Oh, for sure, Pedro Torres. Yes, I know. I'm aware of that fact. That is why I'm very careful. That is why I know the market has been moving very awkward since morning. It's not been able to give me very good profit. It's been just cutting my profits and giving me back, cutting and giving me back. It's just nothing, basically. So in less than 1 minute, volume is going to come in. I don't know what volume is going to do. So I wouldn't tell you, okay, the plan is this or the plan is that, okay? So let's just wait and see. But you know, this area that I've boxed out is actually a very important area. So let's see. I think I should behave professional here. Sorry guys, you know, sometimes we tend to forget that we are professionals, right? So we just misbehave. Okay, this way. Aiwa. Okay. Okay. So I think I've become very professional right now. So in less than 30 seconds, it's gonna start. Do not forget, the area I have blocked out is the area I expect a reversal to happen. Okay. And worst case scenario, if we miss the move, if we miss this move, right, then we can jump in right here. When price does something and tries to go up, we can jump in right here and go up with the price. Okay. That is if we see the volume. Bank is on holidays. Do not forget that fact. Okay, guys, I give you volume. This is your volume. Okay, beautiful. Weird move. Strange move. The move is pretty much very strange. I'm not even looking at my charts. I'm just having fun. Okay. Let me open my platform. Really, I expect some volume here. Some price may go down anyway. It may go down, but I don't want to be trapped in in some sort of fake move. I don't want to be trapped in any fake move. So let's wait a little bit to see what price actually is doing. Okay, do not be in a hurry to take positions. Do not be in a hurry. Today is bank holiday, so a lot of bad things may happen today, but we don't pray for such bad things to happen. Okay. Nothing yet. Nothing. Absolutely nothing for me. Okay, I can see volume to the upside, but we have to wait until this initial volume diminishes, because this whole area, I don't trust it. I don't trust price to succeed into this area. But if it does, it's okay, it's fine. I'm gonna wait for price to hit here and reverse. If it doesn't reverse, then I don't have a trade today. Really, I don't want to go up with price. I really don't want to ride with the price up. Yeah, it's a very fantastic move. You can see price is moving up somehow, but then I prefer to actually wait for to see if price is actually going to form some sort of reversal pattern. Then I'm going to write it down. Do not forget there is a huge possibility that we may not get an entry today, because there is another possibility that price will just go all the way to hit this trend line, and we may not have that patience, right? So we got to be very decisive today. We got to be very decisive, make some very good decisions and bad ones if if possible. So let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. Wow, price seems to be moving down. That's beautiful. That's very beautiful. So with this and this, so what is gonna win? It seems downside is gonna win. That's beautiful. I like what I see. It seems downside is gonna win, but if price wants to come down, it's fine, let it come down. I would rather get in here for price to go up. I wanted to get in for price to come down, but I'm not too confident in taking that move to the downside. It's not something I would like to take. Today is bank holiday, so I'm looking for some ripe apple rather than some spoiled overripe apple. Overripe apple could be dangerous for us today. I wanted to ignore upside move, but if you can see upside move whereby price actually comes down, that would be perfect. If you can get price to come down all the way to this level, that will be perfect. If it doesn't do that, we better wait for uptrend, because daily is showing us uptrend. Unless we have something happen today, we have price break into this zone. That is the only criteria for me to sell now. I mean, in this live stream. For this live stream, I think it makes sense. It makes sense if I just stick to buys. But my worry, I just have one worry here. Okay, this new candle has actually formed a wick. This is beautiful already. It's looking pretty. Now let's use 1 minute to see if we can catch a quick buy. I was actually sell bias, but suddenly I discovered something, so I have to quickly change my bias. Not as if I'm not indecisive, sort of, but then it's just changing market conditions. Okay, see, this is actually making me to buy. So if this candle doesn't close, I'm sorry, I cannot buy. This candle doesn't close, I'm sorry, I cannot buy. I need this candle to close well, then we can buy above it. That is above it, okay? Above it, that's where we can buy. I'm going to put the points later, okay? So let's see what price wants to do. Yes, I'm in, guys, I'm in. I'm in. Oh my god, I didn't get in early. What the hell, man? This is not fair. I think it would have made sense if I used man, I'm trading 2 accounts at the same time. That's God almighty, man. This trade copying stuff, man, is really very distracting. I must say, it's so distracting, really. Comes with a lot of distractions and, you know, a lot of noise. So let's look for a very nice stop loss to use, just in case price this. Oh no, man, don't do that. Don't do that, my friend. You don't get to do. Oh my god, this is too much. Too much. Oh no, man, are you kidding me right now? Don't do that, my friend, please. Don't. If you do that, you're gonna take away my profits. Come on, it's doing something shitty. This is already a loss, really. Okay, let me just use what I used in my account. This is actually what I used in my account, so let's just stick to that and see what you can grab from today. Really, I was expecting price to move up. Man, don't do that, please. Don't do that. Come on, man. So that was a fake move to the upside, right? God damn it. This is not funny. God. That's not funny, man. Okay. Let me just gradually, like a gentleman that I am, like a professional that I am, just take the loss. Excuse me. Like a very dear gentleman that I am, let me. Okay, so if just in case you don't know, if you took this buy with me, I know today is bank holiday, but if you took this buy with me, this is your stop loss. Okay, let me just use the. We got in somewhere here, right? I got. Let's see how many pips. Oh my God, this shouldn't have happened. This shouldn't have happened. This buy shouldn't have happened, but it's fine. Let's target 162. Man, can you go back? Can you go back? Don't make me lose my money, please. I don't like losing when I know that I'm right. Yes, I know. I'm actually taking a big risk by trading in this zone. That's actually a big risk, guys. Just in case you don't know, it's actually a very big risk. Okay, trading in this zone is a big risk, but then it's a risk that is worth taking. Let's see. Let's see. Now let me show you something. The reason why I took this trade, right? This is 4 hours, right? 4 hours close a strong bullish, right? And yes, I know this is actually, if you zoom into smaller time frame, this is some sort of a challenge area. But in 4 hours, you have a very straight candle, okay? That's number one. And then that as, oh my God, price is actually moving to our stop loss. That's terrible, man. See, I'm under a lot of tension because I'm trading people's money. Your stop loss is hit. What is it? Go back inside. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Stop loss level was actually tested. In my account, still not closed, but in the accounts that are connected to me, I just believe in my both accounts, still not closed, but then I just don't want to lose in this trade. Okay, stop loss most likely will be hit. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. So I've been showing profit hit life, so let's show stop loss hit life as well. Let's show stop loss at it hits us live. So let's show that. Okay, seems stop loss does not want to get hit. Okay. So guys, can you comment if your trade has already hit stop loss? Let me know. Not as if I'm gonna refund anyone, but Okay, guys. So let's see what price is actually doing. It seems price suddenly turned. Let's see whether this is actually going to hold or not. Okay, let's see whether this is going to hold or not. I don't offer. Okay, guys, so I will advise you, if you still have open positions, please close them, because I don't understand what price is doing. Or you can just decide to leave them until it hits stop loss. I'm just going to close one of the positions, just to avoid losing more than I can afford to risk. It's unfortunate. Let's just wait. Another opportunity is going to definitely come up. Another opportunity just gonna come up. Just relax. Let's see. If your trade hits stop loss, please can you comment? Can you comment? Okay, so guys, finally the stop loss is hit, and price most likely is gonna go down. So what I'm gonna do, I don't wanna switch into downtrend. Just guys, if you wanna switch into downtrend, go ahead and do that. But for me, I don't wanna switch. I have a feeling that price is actually gonna do this, moving all the way down and then jumping up. Okay, it's unfortunate, man. I'm not happy. Oh, come on. That's a lot of money right there. Oh God, see, suddenly it's going up. Bank holidays. So Pedro won us on time, right? Pedro won us on time. He won us right on time. So guys, let's see. Just relax. Everyone should just relax, okay? As long as 4 hours is concerned, price will move up, okay? All you need to do is to relax. If you have lost anything, relax. You're gonna make it back, okay? Don't need to be in a hurry. Don't need to be in a hurry at all. Just relax. Don't take another trade until we have gotten a big, like a full-time confirmation, okay? Yes, this candle actually closed inside this zone, right? And this actually factor, you know, there's a lot of noise here. So I'm gonna advise you guys, just relax. The market is not stable yet. Let market become a little bit stable, then we can just take a very small trade to cover our losses, okay? We're going to take a very small trade to cover up our losses. I'm not promising to make up for the losses today, but then it's just going to cover some elements. So it's going to cover some elements. Well, some people are saying, some people keep saying the bank holiday, man. People still make money on bank holiday. The fact that banks are on holiday does not mean that you shouldn't make your money, right? If banks are on holidays, they should be on holidays on their own. You don't need to worry yourselves about the holidays, right? But you just have to be like extraordinary careful, because banks are market movers, right? That's why you have something called bank zone. Even though some people say they don't believe in bank zone, but then what to do? See, now price decided to start moving up, but we're not going to fall into any trap now. We just have to be very, very patient, guys. We just have to be very patient. Let's get a closure in this zone. Let's get a closure in this zone, then we can jump in, okay? But please, if you're jumping in, make sure you are using a lot size that you can afford to lose. That's what you should actually use, okay? Anything that you can afford to actually lose, that is what you are allowed to use, okay? Still not yet. Don't open nothing yet. See, the mistake we made was we didn't allow price to actually, you know, when I lose, I normally do a fast scan to see why I lost, right? We should have allowed price to close in this zone. If price closes in this zone, okay, then we expect it to come back here, touch, and then break. Then we take advantage of it, right? But then it doesn't mean that something's not going to happen. Something is going to happen during this streaming. If it's a sell, no, I'm not going to sell nothing. Even if it's price, maybe price may try to drive all the way down to this level. It's okay, it's fine. Even if he wants to go 1,000 pips, I don't believe in sales now. Let me look at 5 minutes to see if I can change my opinion. Because right now I'm very much opinionated, if I'm allowed to say such things. Yeah, I think that zone I marked out is actually playing out. Well, I neglected that marking, right? Yeah. So if we had gotten a sell here, that's 98 pips. It wouldn't have been possible. That would have been very much impossible to handle. I am not happy. Who can pacify me? Who can transfer $10,000 to me now so it can make me happy? It seems we are gonna wait for longer time, but I pray God to have the mind to take positions when they come, because from what I see, I may not have the mind to open another positions today. But let's see. Let's get a closure in that zone. If we get a closure in that zone, then we can jump right in and get some pips back. Get back our money. I don't know why I don't believe in bank holidays. I don't know why. I don't believe in bank. I just want to do catch something out, you know. If I hadn't taken a position today, I would have just ended the stream and left now. That would have been the best thing to do. See? Nothing. Nothing. Technically nothing. See what price is doing? Price is just faking out everywhere. Okay, see? Finally just chosen a direction. So let's see how it's gonna react. One hour, pretty much may turn back. Yeah, it's gonna turn back. Like, you know, the next 1 hour, that's what I mean. So this may come all the way to this level, then reverse. I'm just waiting for that reversal. Really, I messed up. I messed up today. I shouldn't have taken those positions. I shouldn't have taken them. Should have just relaxed and chill out somewhere fun, somewhere peaceful. Okay, so this is the plan now. Now the plan is very clear. Beautiful. Okay, so if price does not respect this zone, then I'm not doing anything. I'll just end the stream and go. We'll come back tomorrow. Okay, price needs to respect this zone. If it doesn't, why do I say that? Because of all these things here, right? And then all these things here. Okay, if price does not respect this zone, then there's nothing, absolutely nothing that I'm doing online. I'm just gonna end the stream and go. Seems it's gonna respect the zone. If it does, then we can jump back into profits. FYI, what I normally do is after streaming, anything I lost during my live stream, normally I calm down after streaming and I make some of them back if I can. If I can't, I'm going to leave it for the next day. So that's what I normally do, just in case you're wondering. So there's a physical force here. You can physically see the force right here, right? But then I expect this force to end here and the reversal to occur. So if price breaks this zone, then we're not doing anything. I mean, because today I'm not going to sell anything. It's going to be buy or nothing. Okay, so let's see. So this is actually what I'm expecting to happen. So the first step is actually beginning to happen. After the first step, then we can look for the second step. Once we get the second step to conclude, then we take a trade to the upside. Guys, this time around, you better not over risk, please. Do not over risk, please. Risk only what you can afford to lose. If you can afford to lose it, don't risk it, okay? You're gonna hurt yourself if you do that. You're gonna hurt yourself real bad, okay? Okay, the first confirmation actually turned to 0. So let's see if this is gonna turn to a nice confirmation for us to continue going up. Guys, ready your lot size. Our last trial today. Gentlemen, keep it ready. Okay, I wanted to say here, but I just wish to have price break above here before we get in. Yes, the risk may be high, but then we'll have to. If you don't have confidence in what we do, please don't take the trade with us, okay? If you do not trust what I do, don't take any trade. Because if you take it, your bad mind is going to make us to fail, okay? Don't take any trade if you don't try. So guys, set buy stop above that level where I have the red line. Set buy stop above that level because it's not gonna, it's just gonna blow over, okay? Just blow over. It's not gonna give us any sign above this level, okay? Sorry if it doesn't allow you to set buy stop. Make sure you set buy stop. Do not do impulse entry there. It's gonna, I mean, you may get in late, you may get in very late, okay? Set buy stop, only buy stop, guys, only buy stop. Man, I feel so strange working on two accounts at the same time. I think I'm gonna come up with a plan. Trade one today, I mean trade my main account today, leave it tomorrow. Trade my managed account upper day, leave it, you know, stuff like that. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Set buy stop. Let's see what price is doing. If the setup gets invalidated, then I will still let everyone know, okay? If the setup gets invalidated, I'm gonna let everyone know as well, so do not worry about that. We are still within the range. We are still market is still behaving the way we want it to behave. If it starts behaving that way, I'm gonna announce and I'm gonna end the stream. Everything happening right now is still part of the plan, as long as we are within this green zone. Once price gets out of this green zone and hits this white zone, this white line, then we could call it today and come back tomorrow. There's going to be volume tomorrow, by the way, so in case you want to drop out of this streaming, feel free to, because there's going to be enough sufficient volume tomorrow, okay? If you lost something and you don't have confidence to take one more position, close your chat and go, okay? Come back tomorrow. It's going to be a very nice day. What matters is month over month you are in profit, okay? But then I don't like what I see right now, because this candle is actually supposed to close bullish, but then for some reasons it didn't. Let's see. If price drops into this zone, I'm done. Okay, beautiful, oh beautiful. Go touch my zone so I can be done today. So guys, remove this buy stop. This buy stop is been invalidated. Please, I'm closing mine now. Remove the buy stop. It's been invalidated, guys. Please don't leave it on. Remove it so that it doesn't hurt you. Let's wait for price to see how it's going to react into this new zone that it has gotten into. However it reacts, it's going to decide what we're going to do, okay? Let's see. You're going to be surprised how price, you're going to just, you know, blink and you're going to see price in this zone. You're going to blink for 1 second and you're going to see price here. This happens. I know this shitty move. This move is very shitty. I know it. Now, before you open any position, guys, make sure you're willing to lose the money, okay? Don't contact me blaming me. Oh, you made me lose my money today. What should I do? I lost $1,000 today and I have only $150 remaining. I mean, why you do risk $1,000? Okay, guys, this is what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna wait for price to close into this zone. I'll wait for price to close into this beautiful zone. closes into this beautiful zone, then the break of the closure is what we're going to trade. Otherwise, it's a no-no. If price dares to break into this zone, in fact, close into this zone, then I'm going to call it a day. Okay. Don't do that. Don't do that, please. You shouldn't do that. Never do that. You cannot do that. Price is actually strong. I can say strong bearish, but there is something I'm seeing as well. I'm seeing some evidence of good living. The way this candle closes, this current 1 minute you are looking at now, is going to determine what's going to happen in the next 20 minutes. If it closes bullish, then there is a huge possibility for price to move up like push. But if it closes bearish, it's going to end this trend because you are wasting time. It's going to just price is going to move down. Just recall, come on man, close bullish please. Don't be an a-hole. Recall that this level is a very important level, okay? See, it's a very important level. So you guys to be wise around here. I love what I see. If this closes bullish into this zone, that's when we can get into position, okay? So we can actually get into the take one more position today. That's beautiful. And this, if it wants to move up, it's going to move up with full speed. Come on, don't move up like this. Not this way, man. So guys, you can see price is messing with us today. So, but guess what? I'm still gonna take a trade today. I'm not revenging. This is not revenge. This is something that I'm sure that's gonna happen. Okay. I may not take a trade online. I mean live. But when I close, I'm just gonna display this on my very large TV. Then I'll go to bed. Once I hear an alarm, I'm gonna set a couple of alarms. Once I get an alarm, I'll come and take a trade. That's what I'm gonna do. Yes, I love what I see, guys. I love what I see. Sincerely speaking, I love what I see. Yes, so guys, yes, I mean guys, I'm buying now. I'm buying. Do not forget, risk only what you can afford to lose. If you cannot afford to lose it, please, 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 and please stay the hell away. Okay? Stay away. Okay? That's my only advice to you, my friends. If you cannot afford to lose it, stay the hell away. Okay? This is 45 pips. Okay? And we could target this, which is 95 pips, but then I want to try, because this moves looks like something that's going to move into an unexpected zone. Okay, so let's see. Again, you could lose this position, you could lose this trade. Okay, so I'm going to advise you, if you're not in sync, please close the position on time. You're not losing anything that is out of ordinary now. So when it gets into out of ordinary, don't blame anyone. Okay, you can still close out. I do this because I understand how this guy moves. Okay, see the way I trade. What I normally do is, when I see an opportunity, when I'm online, that's why I prefer to be offline, right? Because if I'm online, opportunities are going to be coming up. Okay, and when I see it, I risk something very small and I expect a good outcome, right? If the outcome that I expect is not coming and I lose that small amount, I don't care, because I know that if I'm able to secure a very fantastic outcome, it's going to be like 3 times or 4 times of that outcome I've risked. Right? Some of them, I mean, gives me huge lump of money. Some of them give me small lump, but then overall, my profits actually overshadows my losses. I can actually lose 10 consecutive trades and gain one, but that one that I've won is gonna cover all the 10 trades that I've lost. That is to tell you what I'm actually doing, okay? Just in case you have not noticed my trading pattern. Did we get in too fast? I don't know. Let's see. I have a question. US30. So when bank is on holiday, you cannot give your boys money? Come on. We made you popular, US30. What the hell is wrong with you? Okay, let's see. Oh, sorry, I didn't give the points. Apologies, guys. These are the points, okay? Don't exceed these points. It's very important that you don't exceed it. It's very, very crucial that you do not exceed it. If you do, I will send you. I did not send you. Oh, it's gonna hit. Yes, and I'm done for the day. Like, done. Even if I end the stream, I'm never gonna go to my chat again today. Because this actually happened a lot today. Like, today it happened a lot of times. So, it's a signal. Oh no, I'm out, guys. I'm out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm out on both accounts. I lost 2 consecutive trades. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm not gonna take any single position anymore today. Not in my large account, not in my managed account. I hope to meet you guys tomorrow. Let's hope for 11 a.m. tomorrow to be a wonderful time, so that we can make up for our losses. Okay, make sure you come around tomorrow to join me live tomorrow while I see price is actually moving in our direction. Crazy stuff. So that we can at least work together to make up for the losses. Okay, it's nothing. I mean, we're gonna get them back. Okay, all right, everyone, see you guys tomorrow, and thank you for joining me. Okay.